Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to unfollow someone on Rumble. So if you're wondering how to unfollow someone on Rumble and do not know how to do that, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to unfollow someone on Rumble, first of all, you have to tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available on my Reason, I have to go through Google and access its website. But if it is available on your Reason, then go ahead and tap on the Rumble application. But since it is not available on my Reason, I'll go through Google and then go to the search box and type for Rumble. After we're done typing for Rumble, go ahead and tap on search. Now go ahead and tap on first option that has been provided saying Rumble. So this is the one, as you can see. Tap on there. Now you will enter in home screen of your Rumble account. So go ahead and tap on that little search icon which is just beside Rumble. After you type on there, go ahead and tap on the name of the person who you want to unfollow. So I've already typed the name of the person. Now go ahead and tap on search icon which is in the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. Now you will be appeared with this profile of the person who you just typed and search. Go ahead and tap on the profile of the person. Now you will get the unfollow option, as I've already followed this person. So go ahead and tap on that unfollow option and then you're done. Now again, if you want to follow, you can tap on follow or keep the person in unfollowing list. So that's how we can easily unfollow a person on Rumble. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll also be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.